Oh, hey guys, you here again. Oh my God, I didn't expect that. For today's class, we are going to see a workshop. And no, you are going to do a workshop. This workshop is going to be only about sound, only what we saw in sound, because the other topics I already made a workshop about it, so we don't need it. So this is going to be only for sound. Okay, only 5 points. You don't need any more. So I'm not going to read it for what or to why. No, no, no. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. And good luck. No, you're not going to need good luck. The only thing you're going to need is your notebook, your calculator, and if you want me, I am going to be here with you to help you. You're not going to be in needing of any more. So thank you very much and see you in another video. Remember to follow me at my social media. You can follow me in @malevolo cucarachón. Bye bye.